Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this Garvee Portable AC unit. This thing is really cool and is a lifesaver in case ever something happens to your AC, or maybe you have a room that your air just isn't quite cool enough, or if you have a shop, or if you have any type of garage or anything, you want to put one of these in to help cool off the area. This is definitely a great one for you. Really like it. I've used this brand a lot and they work really well. I've actually had one of these, very similar one of these before, and it works great. And so I want to show you guys first how you're going to actually put this thing together, and then I'll show you guys all the features and functions it has as well. It's pretty easy, doesn't take super long to put together, but let's go see how we did that.
So first thing you want to do is find a window this is going to fit in. So as you can see right here, found this window we're going to use. So it has a little slide on there that you saw. It slides in your window and it can make it fit in multiple different size windows, which is really nice. Then it also has like a small little stop / button that kind of goes in there, and it helps just make sure that it all stays nice and tight together. Next thing you'll do is grab your weather strip. You might need to cut this like I'm going to do right here. You're going to cut the end off of that, and then you want to make sure that it fits in here nice and tight. And what it's just trying to do is making sure that this has a nice tight seal so you're not going to get air leaking out of there. Then once you have all of that plugged in, what you're going to need to do is grab the hose. It's already connected to the unit. You're going to stretch it out, and then it's actually going to pop into the little hole right here out of the window. And so this is what's going to get air out of outside and blow it into your house to cool it off. So that's the full setup for this unit.
All right guys, so as you saw, this wasn't super hard to put together, super easy. Again, you have just all the options right here. You got your hose, you got your plate right there, it connects in. You even have a little bit of foam right there if you want to do that. And it has a sealable foam as well. So if you want this regular foam or the sealable one, whichever one you want to use. But I do want to point out, just all the features up here. On the display right here, it has your timer. So if you want to have a timer, just run it for certain times or how long. You also have fan speed. You got high, low, and auto. And again, it'll catch up. Then you have the temperature right here. You can go up and down on that. You also have your mode. You have cool, fan, and dry. So again, trying to get the humidity out. And then you have your off and on button and even your sleep button. Another cool thing that it comes with is this little remote. Same thing on here. You have off and on, and you have different modes. You can even open this at certain depths and stuff like that. I'll show you that in just a minute. Timer, sleep, fan, and then also temperature. So let's go ahead and turn it on using this. You can see it comes on. You even have the display down here. It's nice because it will tell you where you're at. It might be really loud, but I'm just going to try to talk over it. But you can see right here, I like that it has a display that tells you how hard it's going. So right now it's on high, as you can see these little marks right there. Also to adjust this little fan, if you want to do that, you can adjust that. You see it'll go down, so it'll shoot different directions instead of shooting straight up. You can go back up, whichever way you want. So go back up there. I also adjusted the temperature while I was doing that, turn it back up. But you have a bunch of different features and functions on the same stuff up here. You have it on the remote, and it'll run this and it'll cool off the area. I will turn this off just to go ahead and get us going so we can talk. You can hear me more. But you have all of that going on. Again, while this is running, it's running the condenser in there, and it will get a little water in there. So you will have to either, there's a little tube on the back. You can either hook that tube up and push it outside as well, or there's a pan down there, you have to drop that. So either one, and when there's a lot of humidity is where you'll actually see more of the water, but it's a really cool option. I think it's really neat. It's small, it's not super heavy, so you're able to move this. It also has wheels and it has handles right here on the side, so you can pick it up and move it. So I think it's a great option for maybe, again, like something in your house, maybe there's a room that doesn't have great circulation or AC or heat or whatever. This is a great one, or I'm probably going to use it in my shop, my garage, to run this and cool off the area while I'm working in there. You can shut it all, shut all the doors and stuff like that, and have this running. And I think that would work really well for you. Or again, in your shop or garage or whatever. There's so many different features for this. Again, Garvee's a great brand. They sent me this to check out, but super excited about it. Definitely going to be using this. I like that it has the features on the remote and on the screen right here, so you can do that. And just using it here for the last few minutes and a little while in my house, it has definitely cooled off this room, which is nice. So it's able to cool off rooms and do a good job for that. So overall, I think it's a great option. It's small enough that you're not going to have to like move stuff around for it, but also strong enough that it's going to do a good job. So overall, I think it's a great one. Couple things, like I said, I like that it has the hose. I don't think the last one that I reviewed had a hose. You just had to drain it out every time. So now you have the hose. You can pump the water out. So that way it's a super game changer. You're not having to worry about that. Also, I just like it's super easy. You just touch and go, and it has the timer. So say you want it to run for a certain amount of time, then turn off. You have that option as well. So I think there's so many cool features and uses of this. It's definitely going to be something you can use right now, especially while the summer is cranking up and it's getting hot. This is a great thing. So I think if you're in the market for one of these, this is one I highly recommend you check out. It's going to do a good job, going to cool you off, and it should last a pretty good while. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there, and feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.